snow is falling on the city lights, but nothing shines the way you do tonight.
Your smile is warm like a candle's flame, melting winter as you say my name.
You're my Christmas miracle, gentle and true. A world of winter blooming in you. Hold me close under starry skies, 'cause I see love in your snowy eyes.
Your hand in mine feels like coming home, in this quiet world where dreams are sown.
Every whisper paints the sky in white, like love that glows through the longest night. You're my Christmas miracle, gentle and true. A world of winter blooming in you. Hold me close under starry skies, 'cause I see love in your snowy eyes.
Your heartbeat hums a Christmas tune, soft as December silver moon.
I breathe you in like winter air, a gentle feeling everywhere. You're my Christmas miracle, gentle and true. A world of winter blooming in you. Hold me close under starry skies, 'cause I see love in your snowy eyes. The world outside is cold and still, but you bring warmth no fire could fill. Your touch is like a falling star, a wish come true, no matter where we are. You're my Christmas miracle, gentle and true. A world of winter blooming in you. Hold me close under starry skies, 'cause I see love in your snowy eyes. If seasons change and moments fade, our hearts will stay where love was made.
In Christmas nights and whispered sighs, I see snowflakes shining in your eyes.
You're my Christmas miracle, gentle and true. A world of winter blooming in you. Hold me close under starry skies, 'cause I see love in your snowy eyes. If seasons change and moments fade, our hearts will stay where love was made.
In Christmas nights and whispered sighs, I see snowflakes shining in your eyes.
You're my Christmas miracle, gentle and true.
Here's some
A world